StudyTalk.com.
Next is from exercise 6.4, question number 2. The question is, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of AOB and COD. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC. AB is parallel to DC. AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of the triangle AOB and COD. AOB, COD. Triangle COD. Now, the figure is a trapezium. Trapezium ABCD. The diagonals AC and BD. Intersect each other at O. AB is equal to 2CD is the given condition. This is the point O. Area, we have to find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB. Here it is AOB, this triangle AOB and COD. Now, we can start with considering the triangle AOB and COD. Consider triangle AOB and triangle COD. Angle OAB, this angle will be equal to angle OCD. Angle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. The reason is one pair of alternate interior angles. One pair of alternate interior angles. One pair of alternate interior angles. And angle AOB will be equal to angle COD. Angle AOB. Reason, vertically opposite angles. One pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. This is enough for writing triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. The reason is AA similarity criterion by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion, we are getting triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Since the two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides, the square will be equal to the area of their the two triangles. Therefore, area of triangle AOB, therefore, by theorem, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides AB divided by CD, the whole square. But AB is equal to 2CD. It is given in the question that AB is equal to twice of CD. That is, area of triangle AOB will be equal to, instead of AB we can write 2CD divided by CD, the whole square. The CD and CD get cancelled, which is 2 by 1, the whole square, which is equal to 4 by 1. Therefore, area of triangle, that is area of triangle AOB is to 4:1 is the answer.